Hey friends, today I'm unboxing or unbagging this jacket I purchased off of Amazon. It's called YXP men's military jacket, windbreaker, lightweight jacket. Goodness, this bag is no joke here. All right, so I got a green color one. I like this color. Green is actually my favorite color, so this comes a little bag here. Okay, it's kind of nice. So here it is. There's the jacket, my friends. That looks actually pretty cool. So it has 4 pockets. Here's a pocket, 2, one's for the hands. You know what? I'm just going to try this bad boy on. Get this zipper off here. All right. Okay, let me adjust my camera here real quick. All right, so this fabric is made out of cotton, and inner part is 100% polyester. So it has these nice little buttons on the cuffs. You want to roll up your sleeves, you can. It's actually quite warm. A warm jacket. It's like summer over here, so it's kind of warm right now. I got a couple fans going, so you can roll up the sleeves. You can button these down to keep the wind out. It has dual buttons on here too, on the end, so you can make it nice and snug if you want to. That way, there we go. Okay, also it's got, all these are snap buttons, so kind of a couple pockets on the front. And then actually even on the sleeve here is a little pocket, so that's cool. Inside, let's see if these pockets are big enough. So these pockets right here are pretty comfortable. You put your hands in there and it's pretty nice. Let me see if it'll fit my cell phone in here. So the cell phone fits nice. This is a full-size Google Pixel XL 2, and it fits in the phone, or it fits in the pocket nicely right there, like that. Also, this has a pocket on the inside. I'll show you guys real quick. And actually, this is my first clothing video I've done. I think so. I would usually probably keep my phone on the inside, just because the side pockets you don't want. I don't know. I'm just always afraid it's going to fall out because they're not vertical. They're kind of horizontal. Your pockets are on the side, so I would keep it in here. And it's a nice little pocket here for a cell phone if you want it. Also, so one thing I did find was kind of interesting about this: the zipper actually goes on from the right side instead of the left. Let's see if I can get this on here. So I don't know if it's just because of where it came from. You can also turn your collar up if you want to, and button that up. It's kind of weird with a helmet on, but whatever. Or you can fold your collar down. Have it, so pretty cool jacket. I'm liking it. I like the color. It's comfortable. It's I got a large one here. I think it looks pretty cool. And little 360 there. All right. But yeah, I mean, it seems like it would keep the wind out good and keep you warm, and just a pretty neat looking jacket, I think. So you can grab this off of Amazon for about $45. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. That would be cool. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, my friends, and everyone have a great day out there.